Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to find out what your mouse DPI is on Windows. Before anything, I would just like to remind you to please like and subscribe to help support more content like this. Alright, let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is go to the bottom left side of your desktop and click on the search bar and type in mouse settings. Then from here, go to the right side and click on additional mouse options. Another menu should pop up and all you need to do is click on pointer options, then untick the option called enhance pointer precision, then click apply. After that, you want to go to your internet browser and search up DPI Analyzer and click on the first one. Once here, scroll down and fill up these details. On configure DPI, you can leave it blank if you don't know it. In this case, I know my DPI is set to 800. Then for target distance, I would suggest getting a ruler or something like a phone as a reference and putting it horizontally above your mouse and moving it from the very left side to the end of it. So for this case, you can set the target distance of 2 centimeters. After doing so, just click and hold on the red crosshair on the very left side of the ruler on the website and drag it towards the end of your reference point. Then here, it will say your actual DPI, which mine is precisely at 798.83 DPI. Although, I just rounded it up to the nearest 100, which makes it up to 800 DPI. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching.